Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Friday, February 28th, 2025, and as you guys can see, my profits for today is $322.62. Absolutely amazing. We're gonna get into the trades, so let's get into it. Okay, so for today, I actually took a total of 3 trades because my target profit for today I wanted was actually $300. Given that yesterday I made $160 on Google, this is ticker symbol GOOG, and it's been a wild ride. Like today has been very choppy. It's been, especially in the morning time, it's just been so many ups and downs, at least for Google. As far as like Nvidia and those other stocks in the morning was very well for them. It was uptrending. For Google itself, it was just pretty much sideways. You know, you can see with the ups and downs, and that's where I actually took advantage of each trade. So for my first trade, I got in a little bit less shares, 100 shares at 169 when it started to sell off as soon as the market opened. Bought in, and then I waited for the volume to actually start picking up, and that's when I actually got out at 171.37. So for my first trade, I actually made $223, which was absolutely very awesome. That first trade was just so clean and nice, and as you guys can see, I got off pretty much at almost midway within this candle here, 37. As you can see, the top of the candle was 78. I got out. Obviously you can't get to the highest top and then get out. In a perfect world, that would be awesome, but at least for me, my plan was to pretty much aim for at least for the first trade 200, and then we'll scalp as the day goes on because I knew it was going to be very choppy, and that's exactly what I did. So for my second trade, I got in, you guys can see 170.41, got in within this candle, within the sell-off, sold off a little bit, and then started to go sideways, ripped up, and that's when I actually got out from this trade. On that second trade, I think I made like 274, not too bad. So getting closer to my target profit for today, which was 300, and that's where my last trade, as you can see, I got in here 169.74, and then nothing too crazy, 169.90. Got my target profit for today, which was 300, and then I sold out $322.62. Absolutely amazing, very awesome. Again, my plan for today was only to walk away with $300. Whatever happens to the market, that's whatever needs to happen. So once I had my profit, I walked away. Whatever happens to the market, because it was so choppy, I was like, I got my profits for today, I'm gonna walk away, and then I'll see you guys on Monday. So my thing is, when I got back, then I saw it actually started to sell out. As soon as I got off from this trade, it started to sell like extremely. The selling pressure just went off because of all the tariffs and everything that's been going on in the news, and it bounced a little bit and then sold off. You can see from the VWAP here, this was pretty much a clear support. And then we started to do a nice uptrend, closing out on today at 172, which was amazing. I do think this would have been a nice swing trade. However, given how choppy the market has been over these past few weeks, I've decided I'm just going to stick to a day trading strategy for now until I'm ready to do more swing trades in the future. But not bad, $322 on the day, just absolutely amazing. Like I said, yesterday I made $160. If you watch my video from yesterday, pretty awesome gains for the week. So I'm happy with, at least for Google, I'm happy with that. And yeah, let me ask you guys, did you guys actually trade today? Did you make any profits? Did you make any losses? Again, if you're planning on day trading or doing anything within the markets, always make a plan. Always stick to a plan, and make sure that you can risk every dollar that you have coming in and going out. So yeah, how did you guys actually do? Let me know in the comment section how you guys actually do. I've seen that all the Trump stuff and the stock market, even the job markets, and everything's just been crazy for the economy as a whole. So we'll see what happens next week, and I'll see you guys on Monday. I'm gonna leave it like that. If you have any questions, make sure you drop it in the comment section down below. And yeah, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube. You can hit the subscribe button, the notification bell, all that good stuff, man. The like button, all that good stuff. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.